this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. This video I'm going to be setting up the week of October 10th through the 16th in the horizontal planner that I use as my safe space for hand lettering. And the theme I'm going to go with this week is brought to us by Plan Today with Mo. That's Plan the number 2 Day with Mo. And her theme for this week is Think Pink. So I think we're going to have probably somebody saying pink pretty much every week in October because it's a pretty big deal. A lot of women in the planner community. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I did Pinktober in my wellness planner last week. And, you know, Think Pink was also the subject of our HPTNT challenge. I'm actually doing a collaboration with a bunch of different planners the following week, and we decided to go monochromatic. We were going to go blue, but now they've decided pink, so I will have another pink spread in one of my planners next week as well. So anyway, my first thought, of course, October and pink is pink pumpkins. The Planything books have a whole set of pink pumpkins, but I used these. These are the ones I used last week in my wellness planner. And I don't want to use the exact same stickers 2 weeks in a row, even though it's two different planners. B, these are very cool blue leaning pink pumpkins. So if the pink color that you're looking at tends to be more toward purple than peach, then you're talking cool. Blue is considered cool. So since these are much closer to purple, some could even argue some of these are kind of purple. These are cool. And since I have yellow on the page, I wanted something that was warmer, something that leaned more toward peach. So that brings me to another sticker book that I have. This is the Live Love Posh Fall. I just got it, but I can never remember if this is the one she reprinted, so it was actually available last year or not. I just put the year that I got it on there. So, and she's got this set of stickers in here. So definitely pink in there. The burgundy, the pinks, but there's also a tiny little bit, I don't know how well it's coming off on camera, of yellow in there. So these are much more warm leaning. I feel like these will definitely work better on the yellow lines than the others I had. I've also pulled these. So these are Post-it notes. I got them from AliExpress. That's the brand Sakura, or maybe this is the brand Twilight. Either way, I got these off of AliExpress, and I haven't done it in a while, but I just thought these matched so well. These would be great to put some, so you can use Post-it notes in your planner. You just put tape runner on the back of the non-sticky part, and that puts them permanently in your planner. So I'm going to use these for my boxes for who the author, who said the quote, who to attribute the quote to. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, white out notes like always, and white out this week. All right, and then we're just going to build, since there are no, in this set of stickers, there are no long strip stickers. So I can't cheat and take it easy and just put one big long strip sticker on there. I'm going to have to actually build some clusters. So let's go ahead and start. I want something kind of big to help cover up that whiteout. I should pull some washi tape too to go with this. Let's see. I'm going to pull some washi tape. I'll be right back. All right, so let's talk washi tape for a second here. These videos always end up being pretty short, so I feel like I have time to digress a little bit. So my first instinct would be to pull washi tape with some beautiful pattern on it. This is a paisley one from Simply Gilded. This is another kind of fall gold foil. It's got leaves and stuff on it from Simply Gilded as well. Love them both, but my stickers that I'm using are already pretty busy. They already have lots of florals. They already have lots of pattern to them. So I'm going to resist the urge to use those and go with these, again, both Simply Gildeds, but they have less of a pattern, right? They're more of a pattern, less of a print. So no florals. This one just has stripes And this one is just the Stardust. So I'm gonna let the stickers, the florals and the designs on the stickers be more of the focal point, and the washi tape to be more of the accent. So that's why I decided to go with the washi that is less busy and more just subtle patterns. Okay, so all of that aside, let's go ahead again. Let's pick something to put here to cover up the whiteout. So I'm thinking, for some reason this one, I guess because it's kind of big, is catching my attention, and I feel like I could fit it somehow into the corner. So I'm gonna grab my super pointy tweezers to help me get to the edge of these super thin stickers. Let's find an edge here, there we go. Yeah, I think about like that, which means I probably want my washi at the bottom. Let's do a hunk of this one. I want the dark at the bottom, I think, and the light at the top, so that when I put my sticker over top of it, the sticker is on the lighter part and shows up better. So since I've already got a straight rip there, or I mean a crooked rip here, let's make that hunk a little bit longer so that maybe I can use it somewhere in another section of the spread. So messy rip. All right, and we'll cut this edge. Okay, hopefully we have an opportunity to use that piece somewhere else. So then let's go ahead and put this on. And I'm putting it so that the darkest flower is kind of up near that whiteout. So the way I use this planner, I put a quote, I just do an internet search to look for a quote for each day. And then my theme word I put down here, one big word that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the quotes. So for example, since this is all about breast cancer and October, Pinktober, I feel like I could put like survivor or fight or something like that there. So let's pick one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll do darkest. I'll stick with the 4 darker ones. So since this one is volunteering, let's go ahead and grab it. So it is a little sticky at one end, but it's Post-it note sticky, right? It could peel back up. So I'm going to put some tape runner on the whole back, even over top of the Post-it note sticky section, because I want this to be part of this spread permanently. I don't want to use it like an actual Post-it note and peel it back up. Okay. And I am going to bring it down just a little to cover up that whiteout, and over all the way to the punch. There we go. Okay, so there's that. Let's see, I need to decide. I actually have the fat and the thin of this Simply Gilded washi tape, so maybe I'll put a little bit of thin on here. I think I'll use this little piece of washi tape to further help secure that Post-it note to my planner. So I'm going to go right over the top edge of the Post-it note with the foiled section. And I'm going to go ahead, since I happen to fall in between punches, I'm going to go ahead and go all the way to the edge of the page. And then let's do just a little something here. A little cluster, I really like, so I've got, those are pretty similar in tone. Let's put something super bold and dark on there, like maybe this pumpkin. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. Nice and layered. Okay, so now we're going to come over here. Let's go with another Post-it note. Let's switch gears and go with a super peachy one. And I know I put things in pretty much the same spot almost every week, but it works for me. You know, when you find a layout, an arrangement of things that works for you, why keep reinventing the wheel? I mean, change it up when you want, change it up when you feel like it, But don't feel like you have to do it different every single week, right? If it works, if it's not broken, don't struggle to fix it, you know? I mean, we all have times when our stress level is high, or we don't have very much time. So why make your job harder? Okay, let's put this one, same kind of thing. Let's go up with this one instead of down. And let's come all the way over to the edge again. And then, do I want more stripe or more? I think I want more of this washi. Again, I want the foil, I think, to be on the edge of the Post-it note. This is, if I do this though, it's gonna, you know what, it's gonna turn out very, very similar to this one. That's okay, we'll pick something different. So let's go ahead and put the foil there. So I have a couple options. I could do both washies. I need to put that just a little bit closer to the edge because you can see my messy rip there. I think I want to just do a few leaves kind of falling down like they're falling down from the foil. So let's grab a couple of loose leaves. Well, they're big, so they can't fall very far, can they? I feel like it's okay if they overlap too. There. All right. So let's come back up here. Let's go with this hunk of washi and put it up. Okay, and then I think I want another pumpkin. For maybe this floral, it's got a straight edge. I could do, I think this pumpkin here. It was a tight squeeze. I'm just gonna trim out this little bit of a punch here real quick by hand. So that side's kind of done. Let's come back over now to this side. So mirrored or not? Let's do it. Let's mirror. So Post-it note. Let's go lighter. I haven't used this color yet. I'm going to apply my tape runner over here in the place where I'm going to stick stuff, so if I get a little on the page, it's less likely to be a problem. Okay, so just looking at where I've got stuff, I've got kind of a rectangular box there, so let's put this one down so they're not right across from each other. And I think I want to go ahead and do the other washi tape. But this time, let's put the box right above the washi. So I'm going to put the washi down first. And actually, if I want it to go over the very edge of the Post-it note, let's peel just the top edge of it back up so we can put the Post-it note underneath it. There. Okay. And then we'll let's put something up there. Something kind of big. I like this one. It's kind of corner oriented. I feel like that could go up there. Yeah, we can bring it right down over the Post-it note a little bit. I don't need all of that room. Or I could come way, way up with it. Nah, I think I want to keep it down here. I still can fit an author's name there. So again, I need to cut this out I'm just going to cut it out by hand. All right, so let's come over to this one. Definitely want the striped washi again. What if we do something that's got a flat edge right on top of the washi? I almost feel like I want to put both washis on this one. And then let's grab this one with the straight edge and the really dark flower. Some more washi on this one. Let's go stripe and let's go up with it. So I don't have any pumpkins on this side, and I only have one pumpkin left on this page. So, but I think I want to put it, do I have room? I'm not going to have room for it down here because I still need to put a quote box down here. So let's put the last pumpkin right there. One more little punch to cut out. I don't like this little gap right here. I think I'm going to go ahead. I saw this little single flower. I think I'm going to throw that in there just to fill that in a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and then last but not least, let's put one more post-it note on here. It looks like I need this one. Oops, I think there's two there. Yep. And I am going to put this as far down as I possibly can, right to the very edge corner of the page. Just because I don't have a whole lot of extra room there. Wait, do I want washi tape under there? No. I may not, this might be the first one where I don't actually put any washi tape. Well, I gotta put some washi tape on there. Okay, what's left? Something that'll fit there. It's gonna have to be a flower cluster, and that's okay. Haven't used any of these. Let's put a little washi at the top and we'll put the flowers in between. Just wherever they end up, they end up. I was afraid if I didn't get that off of there, I would forget and it would end up permanently sealing itself to it, to the page. All right. This guy's got a flat edge. And then one of these maybe. I like this one's got a flat edge that we can put right at the edge side of the page. And then this one. It could be pinker, but no, I don't think it could actually. I mean, it could be cooler pink, but I like the warm pink. So let's put it in my planner and then I'll show you an example of a spread that I have already filled out. There we go. So there is my Think Pink spread in my horizontal planner. So let's look at roughly a year ago. So I have not been filling these out. For those of you that are brand new, I haven't been filling them out because I had an issue with a pinched nerve that was aggravated by the writing I was doing. So I've taken a break, but I'm going to use all of those spreads next year because as you can see, they're only off by one day. The actual day, 2022, starts on Monday the 10th. Last year, 2021, started on Monday the 11th. So next year, 2023, when I go to use these, they should only be off by about a day. So anyway, here you go. So my word here was brave because I've got all these creepy crawly things here. Be brave enough to dream. It is easy to be brave from a safe distance. Courage is grace under pressure. Ernest Hemingway. She was never quite ready, but she was brave and the universe listens to brave. Rebecca Ray. Be brave, take risks, and allow the unexpected. Your only limit is your mind. Taking no chances means wasting your dreams. Ellen Hopkins. So where I knew who to attribute the quote to, I filled it in. Oh, I forgot Aesop right there. So that's what it looks like when it's all filled in. I hope you like this video. If you are practicing your hand lettering or working on developing a new font, I highly encourage you to create a safe space for yourself aside from your planner so that if you aren't comfortable with the results, you're not stressing because it's in your main planner. So anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.